My name is Spencer Wilkinson, and I'm an attorney at Jackson White Law. I primarily practice in front of the probate courts of Arizona, dealing specifically with guardianship and conservatorship cases. One question that can come up is, what is the process for a conservator to list and sell the protected person's real property? Generally, when the court first appoints a conservator, the court will enter an order restricting the protected person's property from sale, lease, or encumbrance until there's a subsequent order that lifts that restriction. This means that a conservator must have specific court authorization to sell the protected person's property. However, there are some things that a conservator can do before having this specific court authorization. A conservator can work with a real estate agent to list the property. The conservator can even enter into a contract with the buyer to buy the property. It's important, though, that the contract has a provision that says the contract is contingent on court approval. After there's a contract for the sale, the conservator should file a petition with the court, asking the court to review the contract and approve the sale. The court will set a hearing on the petition, and the conservator will need to make sure all interested people receive notice of that hearing. At the hearing, the court is looking to see that the sale and the sales price are reasonable and necessary for the protected person. The conservator should plan on providing some testimony, and it's probably a good idea to have the real estate agent there as well. That hearing is open to the public, and there is a possibility that upset bidders will appear at the hearing and bid above the sales price in the contract, although this is typically rare. If the court finds that the sale is reasonable and necessary and in the protected person's best interests, the court can approve the contract, lift the restriction, and let the conservator move forward to sell the property. This can be a very confusing process. You should talk to an attorney if you have specific questions about your case so that you don't make any missteps or do anything else that could incur personal liability on yourself and detriment to the protected person.